Hey, what's up guys? It's Chuck from Brady Adventures, and today we're going to show you our new inexpensive bathroom setup that packs easily into our 100 Series Land Cruiser rig. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get alerts, leave us any questions or comments you have, and we'll have links to all the things we're showing you in this video in the description below.
Hey guys, have you seen my dad? I wonder where he is. Well, I'll be right back. I'm going to do my business.
Hey, Occupado! If you're traveling in remote locations, you have to be ready when nature calls.
Caw-caw!
Some of us have no problem running off in the woods, digging a hole, and taking care of business. However, in some locations, this may be illegal, and depending on who your travel companions are, it may not be an option at all.
It's like you're running on like molten lava.
I've experienced all kinds of camping toilets, everything from 5-gallon buckets to fancy flushable portable toilets. I like to keep my gear light and compact, and at this point there's very little room for a fancy bathroom in the Land Cruiser. The other day the kids and I were rolling through the Walmart camping section and found this Reliance collapsible toilet. It caught my eye because it was small and simple. They also had these biogel bags for the toilet, and while you could use just about any bag, I think these will really keep things from getting too stinky. I figured if I paired it with a simple pop-up shower, I'd be ready for any situation. There was an array of pop-up showers that were all nearly identical on Amazon, and I went with this Wolf-Wise shower because with the coupon it was only $33. The pop-up shower deploys quickly by tossing it in the air.
Charlie Chan, I choose you.
Wow! It works.
There we go.
Wow, it's a toilet tent.
Toilet tent. Use open power. Somebody jump in it and push on the walls.
There we go.
There's a little opening places. So then if it gets stinky in there.
This is definitely not the highest quality material, but it'll be...
Could rip easily.
It could rip easily, but it's probably good enough.
Dad, we can't put this near the fire.
But... Oh, this zipper is terrible. It comes with this bag of steaks.
Ooh, steaks.
Ooh, steaks, yummy.
Ooh.
These are super cheap, thin, probably not even really usable. And it comes with a guy line too, so you can see there's a little place where you can tie this down if it's windy. And then you also have these loops down here that you can stake it to the ground. They're kind of bungee. And then you have a solid loop here. So you can make this pretty stable. The toilet is easy to set up by folding out each of the legs and snapping them into position. It can be a little tricky to close up, but not bad after you've done it a few times. You come over here and you gotta do that. And this side is a little trickier.
Oh no.
This side you have two latches down. So you gotta lift up this latch right here, like that. And you have to lift up this at the same, you have to push that at the same time. And you're ready to go.
You should have really taken that
I
out.
don't need that. Once you're all set up, there's plenty of room inside to situate yourself and take care of business.
Yeah, how warm is it in there?
It's actually pretty nice. The toilet is pretty comfortable, but is a little on the low side, which is fine for my crew, but may be a challenge for older people. The big thing is, how easy is this to put back? Here's the instructions. Take a look. All right, look. So you fold it in half, and then you kind of roll it, and then you push that piece in, and then flatten it. So let's see if that works.
This is going to be the funniest part of all. As these people try to do it, but they fail.
The struggle is real.
All right, one more.
All that hard work.
Ooh, there's poop right there.
Oh. I think that was not working.
I think we got it in the strap over.
Hang on.
Holy strap.
I can't let go! It's gonna explode! That was a pretty quick teardown. No problems at all.
No problems at all.
Once all folded, the tent is easy to slide into any tight spot in the rig, and the toilet itself, while it does take up some room, isn't too bad, and worst case can be strapped on the outside of the rig. I can't wait to see what the crew thinks of this setup after a long day of overlanding, or a big breakfast.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. And always feel free to leave us any comments or questions that you might have.